Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Roku Sticks is probably one of the most convenient and affordable ways to access a world of entertainment, transforming your TV into a smart hub for streaming your favorite movies, shows, and live TV, all with seamless navigation and a user-friendly interface, making it a must-have for cord cutters and streaming enthusiasts alike, especially now that you can find amazing deals on these powerful little devices. Number 5. Roku Premier Streaming Player. It offers a massive selection of free, live, and premium TV, including Roku Originals and 200+ free live TV channels. Enjoy all your favorite shows and movies with ease. Whether you stream in HD, 4K, or HDR, it delivers sharp resolution in vivid colors, optimized for your TV. Get ready for an exceptional viewing experience. It's compact and powerful, allowing you to effortlessly stream movies and series from various popular apps like HBO Max, Netflix, Disney+, and Prime Video. Setup is a breeze. Just plug it in using the included premium HDMI cable, connect to the internet, and start streaming. It's that simple. The remote has everything you need to start streaming right away, plus convenient shortcut buttons to your favorite channels. Enjoy easy navigation and control. It automatically receives the latest features, newest channels, and more through software updates. Always enjoy the best streaming experience. Control it with a second remote, use voice search, or enjoy private listening with wireless headphones via the free Roku mobile app on your iOS or Android device. What we like. It boasts stunning picture quality and comes with a premium HDMI cable for easy setup. If you value ease of use and a great picture, this is the perfect choice for you. It's ideal for those who want a simple yet high-quality streaming experience. What people say. The interface is fast and intuitive, so are customizations, and I have no streaming issues. Works good and easy to use, once installed properly. The Roku Premier hardware itself is pretty great. It's much smaller than I thought it would be, yet is still able to play high-quality 4K video. Number 4. Roku Express 4K+. It delivers sharp resolution and vivid color, optimized for your TV. Enjoy streaming in HD, 4K, and HDR. With a faster wireless connection, it ensures smooth streaming, so you can enjoy your entertainment without interruption. Control your TV power, volume, and the device itself, all from a single, convenient remote. Use your voice to quickly search for and play entertainment, or control it hands-free. It offers a customizable home screen with your favorite channels front and center, plus automatic updates to keep it running smoothly. Simply plug it into your TV, connect to the internet, and start streaming. No power adapter needed. Stream a massive selection of free, live, and premium TV, including 350+ free live TV channels. There's something for everyone. What we like. This device offers brilliant 4K picture quality and a voice-enabled remote for convenient control. If you're looking for a budget-friendly 4K streaming option with voice control, this is it. It's perfect for those who want a simple, easy-to-use 4K streaming experience without breaking the bank. What people say. The Roku Express 4K Plus is an excellent budget-friendly streaming device, offering 4K Ultra HD and HDR10+ support for a stunning viewing experience. Its compact design makes it easy to set up, while the user-friendly interface provides seamless access to a wide range of streaming apps, including Netflix, Disney+, and YouTube. The included Roku Voice Remote is a great bonus, allowing voice commands and TV control from a single remote. It was very easy to set up. Unlike earlier versions, the USB plug that I attached to the TV doesn't get hot, which is a relief. It works well with my high-speed Wi-Fi, and I got an alert from the TV that it automatically adapts for best resolution. A major benefit this product offers is that when you sign into your Roku account at setup, it automatically adds the apps that you have added to your other devices if you have any. Ease of use, follow the included instructions. Speed, quite responsive, no complaints. Appearance, the wireless receiver is quite unobtrusive. This Roku comes with a mounting strip so you can stick it where you want it. Number 3. Roku Streaming Stick 4K. It's the ultimate portable streaming device, bringing you 4K, HDR, and Dolby Vision picture quality. It's small, powerful, and easy to set up. Simply plug it into your TV and you're ready to go. It's that easy to start streaming your favorite shows. It starts up quickly, so you can start watching instantly. Enjoy seamless streaming of your favorite channels like Netflix and Prime Video. With its powerful Wi-Fi, it delivers smooth streaming in any room of your house. No more buffering or interruptions. Control your TV, volume, and the device itself, all with one convenient remote. No more juggling multiple remotes. Use your voice to search for shows, play content, and control it all hands-free. It's the ultimate in convenience. Experience breathtaking 4K, Dolby Vision, and HDR10+ picture quality. It's like being in the theater. Stream a massive selection of free, live, and premium TV channels, including 350+ free live channels. There's something for everyone. It's compatible with Siri, Alexa, and Hey Google, so you can easily control it with your voice assistant. It integrates seamlessly into your smart home. What we like. It provides breathtaking picture quality with Dolby Vision and a compact design that tucks neatly behind your TV. If you prioritize a sleek design and top-tier picture quality, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who want a premium streaming experience without the bulk. What people say. The streaming stick works on a 720p, 4K TV and is voice-activated so it pairs with any remote. Has great Dolby sound also. Setup is simple, and it works seamlessly for streaming all my favorite apps. It's a great budget-friendly option. The installation was extremely easy. I just plugged it into the HDMI port on my TV, and within minutes, it was set up. The interface is very user-friendly. Navigating between apps and streaming services is quick and effortless. The picture quality. The 4K looks amazing on my compatible TV, and the support for HDR and Dolby Vision truly makes a difference. The colors are vibrant, and dark scenes are sharper and more detailed. Plus, the Dolby Atmos sound is fantastic, especially if you have a compatible soundbar. The remote control has a simple design, and the buttons are very intuitive. What I like most is that it has dedicated buttons for services like Netflix and Disney+, which makes it easy to quickly access your favorite shows and movies without much navigation. The voice control feature is also very useful for searching content or changing channels quickly. Number 2. Roku Express HD Streaming Device. It delivers a smooth, high-definition streaming experience. It's perfect for beginners and experts alike. Simply plug it into your TV and connect to the internet. No complicated setup or extra power adapter is needed. Stream tons of free, live, and premium TV channels. You'll find over 400 free live TV channels to enjoy. The remote has only the essential buttons for streaming. It also includes shortcuts to your favorite channels. It automatically receives the latest features, channels, and software updates. You'll always have access to the newest content. Get yours now and experience the joy of effortless streaming. Enjoy endless entertainment at your fingertips. What we like. It offers a fast and powerful HD streaming experience with a straightforward setup process. If you're a new streamer or prefer a simple, no-frills approach, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want a basic, reliable HD streaming experience without unnecessary features. What people say. It's so small that utilizes very little power. It is very easy to use and has lots of functionality. Works wonderful. Worked with Wi-Fi quickly. Great looking and lots of free TV apps too. This Roku is very small yet responsive and extremely easy to set up. 5 GHz capable. Also like how it's powered by a USB cable that can plug into your TV. Number 1. Roku Ultra Streaming Device. Experience lightning-fast streaming with the most powerful Roku player yet. It's designed for an unparalleled entertainment experience. Launch your favorite channels instantly. Enjoy seamless streaming with its super-fast startup and powerful processor. It boasts our best Wi-Fi and includes an Ethernet port for a rock-solid connection, no matter where you place it in your home. Immerse yourself in stunning 4K, Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and Dolby Atmos sound. It truly brings your entertainment to life. This rechargeable remote features personalized shortcut buttons and hands-free voice control. Never worry about losing it again with the built-in Lost Remote Finder. Just say, "Hey Roku," to easily control your entertainment, power your TV, or even locate the remote itself. Enjoy your shows at any volume with the option to use wired or wireless headphones. Watch without disturbing others. Access a huge library of free channels and live TV options. There's something for everyone to enjoy. What we like. It delivers a truly cinematic experience with incredible picture and sound quality, plus a rechargeable remote with hands-free controls. If you're a serious streamer who wants the best of the best, this is your ultimate choice. It's perfect for those who demand top-of-the-line performance and features. What people say. The new Roku Ultra is more sophisticated, in that it immediately checked and validated that I have 4K capability throughout my system, my cables, my receiver, and my TV. Also, the 4K video comes through beautifully, even though I use a Wi-Fi rather than wired connection. Another improvement that I like is that the remote is rechargeable. The charge lasts for weeks and weeks, and the remote recharges very quickly. I also appreciate its durability. I've dropped this new remote on my tile floor probably 5 or 6 times, and it keeps on working. The Roku remote is light years ahead of the wonky Apple remote. A spare Roku remote is only $20, not $60 like the Apple spare remote. The Roku remote looks better and works a lot better. The Roku remote has a non-slip textured finish. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.